Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sell on DHgate. DHgate is a go-to platform to buy products in wholesale or at retail price. And if you want to start selling at DHgate, you will have to first register on website and then see if your store is approved. Now to register as a seller, first open any browser on your computer and go to seller.dk.com. Hit search and you will be brought to the seller registration page. Here, click on the orange button, start selling on the top section, and you will be on a new web page with the registration page. Here, you will have to enter your personal and business information. First, enter your phone number on the right section. Under phone number, first, enter the country code and then the phone number. Now click on the send verification code under the verification code category, and you will get called on your number to verify your contact details, so enter it here. Then agree to the terms and conditions by clicking on check mark. Scroll down to the bottom and click on register now. I don't have any product to list, but once you hit register and your contact details are confirmed, you will have to fill in your personal details. Now enter your name, address, the product category, and after the registration is complete, follow all the on-screen steps to list your product, and you will be able to start selling. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.